now. Right, here we go. So let's have a look at this probability question. We've got 9 counters in a bag. 7 of the counters are green and 2 of them are blue. So we know that we've got a probability of getting green is equal to 7 out of 9, and the probability of getting blue is equal to 2 out of 9. Now we want to work out the probability that Ria takes 1 counter of each color. So we want a green followed by a blue. Could be one of them. And to find the probability of getting a green followed by a blue, the first counter obviously is going to have a probability of 7/9. But the blue counter, now there's only 8 in the bag. So we're choosing 2 out of 8. So the probability of green followed by blue will equal 7 over 9 times 2 over 8. So that's 14 over 72. Now let's do the probability of blue followed by green. So the probability of getting a blue first is 2/9, and the probability of getting the green second is 7/8. That also gives us 14 over 72. So combine them together, so therefore the probability that they are different, okay, is equal to 14 over 72 plus 14 over 72, because we can have this or this. When you've got or situation and probability, add, and here you wanted blue and green, and therefore you times. So remember, and situations you times, or situations you add, because it increases the number of possibilities you have. So that gives us, what's that going to give us? 28 over 72, which we can cancel down. So we know 2 goes into that 14, and we know 2 goes into that 36, and then we can cancel down further. 2 into 14 goes 7, and 2 into 36 goes 8. So 7/18 is our simplest final answer.